Yes. Mukutiare. Yeah, number one, we wish to thank God that events have turned the way they have turned. We also wish to thank the judiciary for demonstrating that they are independent and impartial, so that everybody in Kenya, no matter your status, when an issue comes to court, you have faith that it will be determined according to the constitution. That is very critical. Moving forward, the judiciary is going to play a major role, because I can see this other arm of government, the legislature and the executive, have ganged up. It's a marriage of their convenience, but which will inconvenience the citizens. So the judiciary has to stand firm and enforce the rights of the citizens. That is the reason why we are thanking the judiciary for staying independent. Na tunashukuru because mambo ya Maina Njenga ni mambo ya freedom of speech and the freedom to petition. Maina has not committed any crime. Maina exercised his constitutional right under Article 37 to move around, associate with his friends, and the petition, because the cost of living is a major reality now. Everybody is suffering in various homes. Watu wanapatia watoto Pirton ndio Walale. That's why we are saying if the government can't hear, Nchi should make the government hear and listen, because Nchi ndio the boss. Under Article 1 of the Constitution, Nchi never gave all the powers to the government. Nchi gave 50%. The remaining 50%, if the government is not behaving well, we have a right to say we are not satisfied. That is why hatutasimama, tutangangana mpaka serikali isikize, ama mpaka tupige kura ya kubadilisha hii serikali. Asanteni sana, wacha mheshimiwa chema na wasalamie, na shukuru Mungu vile kumeenda.
First of all, I want to thank the Almighty God for the work He has done